Hi everyone. Today we are checking into the beautiful Cabana Bay Resort at Universal Studios Orlando. We are getting pumped and primed to travel back in time to the 1950s. Come along.
Now your destination is on the right.
We're here in December and the tinsel tree is just magnificent. I love it.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Where are we?
I don't know. Where do you think we're?
I think this is the Cabana Bay.
Oh, I thought we fell into the 60s. Really cool though. Yeah, so this is Cabana Bay. This is the Americana building.
Look at these old school soap products, VO5 and Zest.
Are those even made?
I don't think, not anymore.
So it's fake. Actually, they do a lot of old branding looking. This is beautiful. So this is a standard room. This is ginormous. This is one of the largest, I think, hotel rooms I've seen just for like the base level one. The bed. Oh,
Whee!
Wow, this is really soft. Oh my god. Good pillows.
Let's
Really
check out this
cool.
view. So we are in the Americana building, which is one of a few. We can see that's the Aventura. This is the parking garage. There's actually something really cool to note is they've got free Tesla chargers. Our car is right now plugged in, getting some juice.
On the lower level though.
Yeah, we're on the lower level.
So there's Tesla charging on many levels, it appears. We don't know for certain, but at least 2 levels have it.
Love these fancy chairs. Got some cupboard space. I think this is an adjoining room if you had another person here. Here's a nice closet. Some amenities, extra pillows, luggage rack. There's an iron in there, a safe. This is great.
All right, what are we doing, Miss Geronimo?
We are here at the Cabana Bay and it is incredible. What I want to share with you all is that I am a huge fan of the 50s and 60s and the attention to detail in this hotel is amazing. Pan over and look at these bricks. These are classic retro style garden bricks and everything is like that. It's so perfect. Just look.
Look at this, and now with my old commercial.
Look at the tinsel. This is the Bayliner Diner. Check out the commercials that they're playing up there. Always. At Cabana Bay, there's a lot of really cool amenities, including a 10-lane bowling alley that also has a restaurant inside. There's an amazing gym. There is a Shake Shack that just opened up on our trip. It's just incredible in here, and this is a value resort. It is so cool. It's James's happy place. No?
Okay, so we just checked out the gym here. This is probably the best gym I've seen in a hotel period. And I usually at least try to go once. I work out a lot at home, but when I go, I do like on vacation, but I'm gonna make use of this one because this month I've been a lazy turd. And so I gotta catch up for some days. So I'm gonna go there, but they actually have like up to 70-pound dumbbells, which is, it's like some gyms don't even have that, let alone ours. So it's fantastic.
So I just discovered there's a hidden Mickey up there.
Where are we though? Wait, are we at Disney?
We are not at Disney, we are at Universal.
Oh.
Okay, so we are walking from Cabana Bay over to CityWalk. And we're gonna time it out. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take us to get there, how easy it is to get there. Thoughts?
It's really pretty outside.
It really is.
This is beautiful. Like, we were literally in snow yesterday, like 24 hours ago. It was snowing, and now I have a palm tree in front of me. Look at this. No coconuts, but a palm tree.
Oh, you're whipping that camera around so fast, they're gonna get whiplash.
Well, I'll just send the doctor bill to her. We'll take care of it. We're about 17 minutes walk from Cabana Bay to, we're not sure we'll end up. So.
We'll find out soon.
We're pretty close to our bridge. If you look here. I think where we're ending up though is Islands of Adventure entrance. And it's really exciting seeing people and lights, and through the whole walk all you could keep hearing is that Hulk like and that's actually a very iconic ride for us because it's Kate's first like really major thrill roller coaster.
You can check out that video.
We do have a video for it, and she was totally freaked out to do it. And not only did she go on it and do it and love it, I think we did it 3 times that day.
So we timed it, and it's about a 16-minute walk from Cabana Bay to CityWalk.
This is where we say the last time.
Okay, so I'm more ready to taste.
We made our way back to the resort, and we're just walking through the area of the second massive pool that exists on this property. Incredible.
So pretty.
And then back inside the Bayliner Diner, there's this cute little gingerbread house competition. Isn't this adorable?
All right, so it is 8 p.m. Eastern. We are just absolutely beat. We ended up walking after we got settled at the hotel. We ended up walking overall about 17,000 steps.
I don't know how to angle that properly.
You're good. You're good. We are big step tracking sort of people. We found during the pandemic it helped us keep our mood better and all that, but this is not a, a health lesson or anything. But yeah, we're pretty exhausted. We've been driving for 2.5 days, and this is probably the first day we're actually stationary somewhere for many days and not living out of our car with like a backpack and showing up to random hotels and letting whoever accept us. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. We've already recapped the Cabana Bay, the free Tesla charging, which is absolutely amazing. By the way, tonight they've added Apple Music to Tesla, and so we need to get a Wi-Fi that, like a house one or something, to download the new update, because it's going to be awesome once you can have it integrated with the
We
car.
are big Apple Music people. We are not Spotify people. We are all about the Apple.
This is also not an ad for Apple. It just so happens that that's what we had forever, and we're just accustomed to it now. So no hate on Android or any of that stuff. Not that it matters anyways. But yeah, no, we had a long day. We've had lots of fun, and we'll start, we're going to start putting together some more interesting Christmas related Universal videos in terms of what crowds are like. Should you get Express Pass? Shouldn't you? We might get it one day just to see the differences between the two, but it is, because it's holiday times, it is about 160 or 70 per person to add that. We might as well just pop over to Hard Rock and stay there for the night, right? Because I think the price difference makes up for that. But yeah, we've had lots of fun. It is absolutely beautiful here. It's about 20 degrees. We were able to just wear t-shirts tonight. And the crowds were just crazy, even just outside of the theme parks, except for, oddly enough, the one back row with like cowfish and stuff. It was actually kind of empty in that area. Like, you could have went into cowfish and just sat down, and Margaritaville, you could have went in and sat down, but it looked like everywhere else was actually pretty slammed, which is kind of interesting because cowfish, I've heard, is one of the best ones. We will tell you after we have some this week.
Hopefully. We
Yeah.
have to make sure that we can get in.
Yeah, but other than that, we are gonna just chill and do boring grown-up things tonight, which means probably falling asleep while we play on our phones, because, you know, we're the most exciting people ever. Yeah, but stay tuned for some more great stuff.
Good morning, darling. What's going on today?
So this morning we got breakfast unexpectedly because we weren't hungry till we smelled food. The bacon's crispy, clearly. Let's see how this tastes. So I got an omelet with onions, tomatoes, ham, cheddar. It's really good. I normally don't get tomato in omelets, but they had it. I said it. It's cooked into it, so it's really yummy. See this though. Yummy. This is incredibly crispy.
Awesome. I literally just got yogurt and granola, so there's nothing fancy here, not worth doing a food review, but buon appetito.
So we hope you enjoyed our review of Cabana Bay. We'll be back here in May of 2023, and maybe we'll give you some more. Let us know what you want to see next time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye!